you are going to have some people cancel this time of the year. That's okay. It's better to find out now than when you pull up in front of their property, right? And I think that sometimes is the resistance factor we all have. Or what do you do to keep that from happening in the spring? How do you reach out? Or do you reach out, or you just show up and hope everything's okay? There's a lot of different methodologies that guys use on that. But anyway, it's not wrong or right. We've just found that it works pretty good if we send those prepays out early like this. It jogs somebody's mind a little bit, and it gets them thinking about, oh, yeah, those guys are good. I'm going to go ahead and send the payment in. And for you guys that are doing prepays, that's how easy it is. We just got to ask for it. But too many times we don't. Are you asking for it? And that's what doesn't happen a lot of times. And that's why a lot of guys say, man, that prepays don't work. Oh, absolutely they do work, without a doubt.